Hey guys, so it's been a while since I've posted a clean with me video, but this one I filmed a little while back and just hadn't had time to edit it. So my twin sister came over and helped me clean up my house. You know those weeks when you're just having a bad week and you just can't quite get yourself together? That's when it's really convenient to have a twin. So I'm just emptying my fridge out of all of the leftovers that didn't get eaten up this week. Some weeks we're really good at that, and then other weeks it's like my fridge is where food goes to die. So just emptying all that out into a bowl to send to the organic bin. It's always so much more fun to clean with other people though, don't you think? Get to chat with somebody, and it's not very often that my twin sister and I spend a lot of time together, just the two of us. Usually there's kids or husbands or whatever. So it's always nice when you can just have some twin time. Of course, it's not fully twin time because we did have 7 children downstairs, but you know, close enough. And before anybody comments about having people in your house when restrictions are higher and bubbles and all the things, this was recorded long before any extra restrictions went into place. Okay, is it just me? Or does anybody else's house, their living room, turn into the dumping ground for all the things? Because for whatever reason, this is where my kids' clothes, toys, books, homework, everything ends up. And it drives me absolutely insane. Again, this is just another dumping ground. The kids come in from school, the shoes, the coats, the backpacks just get dropped right here. It makes it really great trying to get in and out of the house. And it's really embarrassing if somebody unexpected comes to the door. However, right now nobody's really coming into the house, so at least I don't actually need to open that door. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's as far as we got. We got the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, and the entryway cleaned up. It felt so nice to have it done, but I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed.